Today's project is a safety item, since we seem to be on a safety kick lately. And these wiper blades, not sure of the age, but they don't match. They're black in color as opposed to the original silver. And from one of my trusted sources, I managed to find for about $25 or $30, I forgot what they were, plus shipping. These were the original silver style. So this will be showing how we remove and install the new wiper blades. I always like to put a little towel down, just in the event of any potential mishaps. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to look for the release mechanism. And usually it's something right over here in this corner someplace. Okay, what I like to do is come in a little closer. I like to grab this with two fingers, or two thumbs rather, and pull down. And now you can see how it's kind of released. And this is the old Bosch blade, which I don't think was really the correct one for it. But with the new wiper assembly here, this piece is critical. As you can see, this piece here in the corner is likely going to go on the nylon or plastic hinge point there. Now, this little piece of spring steel is going to go around there, and it looks like it may have to snap into place. It does. It snaps into place a little bit. And then the next step is going to be to note that there's a barb on here, this little barb right here, and that has to match with this hole right here. This is the barb that I'm talking about right there. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this piece in like this, and now you can see where the barb, show the barb in there in this direction. That's it. And now what I'm going to do is simply slide this up into place, and it should, if I slide it properly, it snaps into place just like that. So what I've done, let me flip this over around the other way so you can see it better, is you can see where that stainless steel barb is right here. And of course, if you want to remove it in the future, you merely depress this down, squeeze it, and then push down and then remove the wiper blade from the wiper arm. But right now, we are set on one side, and not only does it look better, it's going to function a lot better. So what you just saw was virtually in real time. This literally does not take but a minute or two. And again, this is for the 1966 Volkswagen variant, 1600, also called a squareback. And these are the 13-inch wiper blades. Now I'm working on the passenger side, and again you can see the arm here with the slot there, the old versus the new arm. This one already had the little spring clip in place, so you can see the manner in which it's supposed to go on there, just like that. This is the tricky part, where you put this in like this, where it's going to go into that slot just like that. And you're going to go down like that, a little bit beyond where it needs to go, and then bring it back up. And you can stop there for a second, because we're going to confirm that the metal locking tang is, as we pull this up, we're going to hear a click as it engages. And two things have happened. The hinging part has gone up to the end where it needs to go, and the locking metal tang here is now engaged. If I can get a hand on the back side here, it is now engaged with the little hole there. And then it's just a matter of bringing it over, folding her back. Now here's the finished product, looking nice and smart, just the way the car rolled off the factory, which is the way we're trying to preserve this car. And again, this would apply to most other Volkswagens as well, the Beetles, Kias, Type 3s, etc. It also, a parting comment I would make is the fact that don't be cheap. Buy your wipers and wiper arms, etc., from a trusted source. too many of these aftermarket ones are universal in nature, and while they will work, they're not designed the way that they're intended to be. And why run the risk of something coming loose and then eventually scratching your windscreen or something like that? So thank you for watching.